What's up, guys? How's it going? Today I'm gonna be playing some Roblox. I'm gonna be playing some natural disasters. They had the car level. I want the car level. No. Who cares? Ow, my tooth. I just hit my mic on the tooth. Timber. Habloosh. Timberg. Let's see what else Timbergs. Do you like my person, guys? Like, I have a helmet on my stomach, a bird head, and a cape. Oh wait, I need to change my face though. But I'll do that. I'll do that between videos. Tell me if y'all want me to do that. Ah! Oh no! Ah! I accidentally jumped off. I imagine. Hold on. Ready? Big run up, big run up, big run up. I failed. There's someone standing there, so if they keep standing there, that's gonna be good for me. I think. Nah, I don't want to try again. Whee! Oh. I heart cats. You like Dennis Daily? Nice. Nice. Subscribe to Dennis, because Dennis is amazing. Dennis is like amazing, man. Like, you just go check him out for yourself. Well, that gives one shout out, so just wait until the next episode or video to make another shout out. If I remember, of course. Like, if I don't remember, I'm probably just gonna not do it, because Heights School. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go in one of these lockers. Open. My locker's upstairs. Hold on. I'm not telling y'all my combination. We go 3, 2, 5, 6, 2. Open! Okay, guys. This is getting annoying, but I'm just gonna keep calm. Are you? No, bully! I don't want bully. Where's the teacher? Teacher! 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 There's a bully! No. What? Okay, let's go. Ah! Ah! What? Is it raining meatballs? Why is it raining meatballs? I know it's a meteor shower, but it looked like meatballs. Just kidding, I didn't see what it looked like. Oh, look at that. Parkour skills? Hold on, let me see if I can avoid this while I'm outside. Let's make this into a little itty bitty challenge. Shall we? Get out of here, bully. Oh, I can't look up. How do I look up? Guys, tell me in the comment section. I don't know how to look up. This is a problem. I know. Just stand right here. Oh, gosh. Sorry about the noise. It's just my TV. Ah! Ow! Ow! Oh, my head. I'm gonna write down for one of the bad things about school. Oh, I survived! My name might be different in Roblox. Mine's Puppy King 1234567. Because I because I already have Rodell Bros on my phone. So yeah, I was gonna do it on my phone, but I couldn't screen record for some strange reason. I was gonna upload some videos on this, but just don't focus on the. Just don't focus on the name. Just don't focus on it. Just gonna sit down and chillax. I have a severe condition. My feet are going through. That hurts. Let me get out. Okay. Guys, I'm climbing up. No. Okay, I'm just gonna go to this side because this side nobody's at. Climb, 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 climb. Oh, no, I died. Oh, I didn't die. I didn't. Oh, I'm gonna go to the volcano. Going to the volcano, guys. Go, 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 go. It's emerging. Jump. Ah. Jump. Jump. Okay. I'll stand right here. Oh, there's a lava cube. Lava cube? Is that lava? I feel like touching it. I'm gonna touch it, guys. Just kidding. I know that's lava. Okay. There's something passing by my head. I'm in a, like, uncomfortable position. I'm literally upside down. Okay, guys. Challenge. Yeah, that's why I said a little challenge, because I'm upside down. Okay. Nope. Back. Okay. I don't want to go to the top because I'm scared I'm like falling. Is he coming? Hey, someone's following me. King Gaz 888. Welcome. I have so little health. I just noticed that I have little health. Break my mind. Dun 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 dun. Wee! Shout outs to. Get up. Don't get. I'm at the top, guys. Oh. Guys. Woo! I need to go die. Hurry. Die. Jump up. Go! Jump! Yeah, I need to die. I have little health. I mean, I have little health. So, yay. No, there we go. There you go. Full health. Sunny Ranch. Okay, let's see what this map looks like. Wherever this map... No. Enter. I just put ///. Whoopsie daisy. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. What's it gonna be? Oh, it's gonna be like a rainy rain. I'm gonna stand on the noob or whatever this thing is. It looks like a noob. Or don't noobs have like green tops on? I don't know. Tell me in the comments section below. Okay, sorry guys. Oh, acid rain! Oh, can I drive the tractor? Okay, guys. Sorry if I'm not talking or y'all can't hear me. I just got distracted. I was eating a tater tot. Whatever that is. I'm just kidding. I don't know what I was. Hey, can you like stop pushing me off the ladder thing? That'll be great. Like, really, that'll be very great. Can you like move? I died. Alright, guys, died. Guys, I died. I'm a failure. I'm gonna do 3 more rounds. 3 or 2 more rounds. 2 or 3 more rounds because I'm actually busy. Right later today, I'm actually going. I forgot where I was going. I'm going somewhere. I'm going to jail. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm never gonna go to jail. Like I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. Oh, ow! They're pushing me, Mom. They're pushing me. Guys, comment down below what y'all want to see from me. Like I can do some like reactions, like to funny videos, cringy videos, just weird as poop videos, or I can just like I can also read comments, react to y'all's comments, like read y'all's comments. I can read the mean ones. Oh, Tsunami. I can read your mean ones. I can read y'all's like nice ones. I can read just normal ones, like nice ones. But what's just like tell me what y'all want me to do. Like you want me to vlog? I'm gonna be vlogging very soon. Excuse me. Guys, I'm gonna die. Ah! Okay. I have to like gently fall down. I died. 2 more rounds, guys. 2 more rounds. 2 more rounds and then I'm done with this game. Boing on y'all's heads. Boing, 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 boing. Hey, this girl's pushed over. Push her. I wanna peck. I saw a beak thrusting at me from the darkness. Sorry. Go to subscribe to Markiplier also. Boink. Habooski. Break. I love breaking stuff. Break stuff. Break stuff. Bye, Tsunami. Okay, guys. I really need to go right now, so I'm gonna do this last one, and then I'm done. Or no. What? Oh, I can wait for a few more minutes, because I have to wait for my sister to get out of the work. Break my mind. And then, yeah, I have to wait for my parents and stuff. Yeah. Basically, I'm just here by myself, but I have my brother, so I'm not by myself. Okay, what's the thingy-mabob? What? Oh, it's foggy. It's gonna be like fog of death, blizzard, seek warmth. Seek warmth. Where do I seek warmth? Eh? I'm doing good. Am I dying? Oh, guys, we're doing good.